Did you get all your pop rivets done, you know, in there?
Oh yeah.
They're all done. And you got all the...
got all of those done now. All the way along. Got all these done now. Just working on the top ones.
Oh, these are the rivets you would had to put in, wasn't it? The
That's the
top
ones,
rivets,
yeah.
because of the shroud was...
That's right. So
And you got all the
away.
bolt holes,
Yep.
all the holes 2 mil drilled in the bolt. No mistake.
Nope.
Well done. Now they're all wired up
Yep.
just to hold them in place.
That's how it was originally.
Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay. Thank you, John. This is number 4 prop on its 5-year service. So this is the base and the correct
base.
way round.
Yeah, this is where the gun will be.
Yeah.
But that's the old skin being used as a template. The new one's underneath. And then I assemble the frame around there so that I've got a good datum to make these 2 reinforcing plates here. Because the old ones are a bit corroded and tatty. So we're putting new ones of them in there.
Oh, this really has come on, Jack, hasn't it?
Well, it's coming to pieces again for painting. But
Yeah. And have you drilled all these holes?
No, they're original pieces.
Yeah, I meant have you drilled them through into the other? You've drilled them through, yeah.
Well, this piece here hasn't been made yet. That's coming back from a specialist.
Yeah.
But that's how it's going to look. And the support arms come through here to support the floor, and the ring that the gun turns on is here.
Oh, really is coming on.
All of a sudden.
Yeah, it will once you get it painted and start offering it up to the fuselage.
Yeah.
All these are new, what you were making.
I'm just going to make these new ones for here, look. So these are going to go here.
Alright, you've got to replace those, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's got the material there. That's going to be remanufactured there and there. Because they're a bit grubby, and the hole there is no good.
Too close to the edge?
Yeah. But that supports the top skin as a sort of a a V shape goes here of skin. So when I put the new skin on, I shall make the holes safe.
Yeah.
While it's in the aircraft.
Yeah.
You know, because if I don't do it that way, I'd induce a lot of stress.
Yeah.
You know, by making the aircraft change to the new shape.
Yeah.
So these things have got no choice. They've got to be in that place.
Yeah. And you'll put the tug brackets on, will you?
Yeah.
The towing brackets.
Yeah, they've got to go back on. Yeah.
I suppose they're a good strengthener as well with the thickness of the material.
Well, yeah, but in the future we can use them as a datum point when we're taking the aircraft to pieces. We can use the hole there and put a rod out of it so that we've got a fixed datum point.
Yeah, you have, haven't you? Both sides then.
Yeah.
So you've got, yeah. Oh, that's good. Right, thanks, Jack.
Okay.
Scrum up.
Yeah,
What do you scrum them up with?
this is a new bit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sort of
Like a Scotch Brite, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's a bit like what you've got on your sponge at home in the
Yeah.
kitchen. You know, that green stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, much the same.
Yeah.
Only I think this is a bit more aggressive.
Yeah.
But yeah, it seems to do the job without too much effort.
Yeah. Good. I'll leave you to it then. Thank you.
In them, yeah, the stiffer into the stringer,
Yeah.
and then so we'll leave the stringer holes open because they'll be going obviously with the skins on and what have you. But yeah, we're just putting these stiffeners back into them at the moment.
Yeah. And these have come back from the painters then?
Yeah, we've got a few things back. Yeah, so we've got
Is this
few of the
what?
webs. That's what Jim was doing last
Yeah.
week. Yeah, off the inner skins and what have you.
Yeah.
So I've had them back because that's like the final colour. What we're going to be doing here, the interior.
Yeah.
That's just the primer. These are at the primer state at the moment.
Oh,
While we'll put them back together. We've got one or two what don't have a stiffener in. They're already all.
So you put in the stiffener with a primer. When it's been primed, you put the stiffener on, and you put the top coat
Yeah.
on top.
Yeah. When they're both together, we'll put the top
Yeah.
coat on. Yeah.
Are these solid riveted or pop riveted?
Solid. They're going to be solid. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where possible, we'll put the original 332s back in. The silver pins of the 332s.
Yeah.
Where possible, we'll put them in. And the ones that were too baggy, we've opened up to 8th. So they'll become 8th.
Yeah. It's okay to open them up that 32nd of an inch then?
Yeah, yeah. To be fair, in manufacturing nowadays, most things, you don't get many things that are left at 332.
No.
Yeah. Most riveting starts at 8th, and if it gets spoiled, it goes to 532 and 316.
Oh, good. Oh, things are moving all round in the. Since I was here Thursday,
we should get some bits back this Thursday or Friday from Simone.
Oh.
So we may start actually building back in the jig on Thursday.
What about that rib Keith had here? Is Keith here this morning?
Yeah, Keith's here, yeah. I've got a couple of big ones still to make.
Yeah.
But I thought I'd just crack on with these a bit now, so do a few stringers for something different to do.
Get these riveted, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Because so we'll be doing. This is the sort of stuff that was when they put them together originally. It was sadly lacking, and that's why they've
corroded
so much. Yeah. No like sealants in between.
Yeah.